Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are in Funchal, which is in Madeira, and as I'm in Port Manning, I cannot go out today. So today I'm going to show you the crew bar, which is also known as the crew recreation room. It's on deck 6, the same floor where the crew gym is. The crew bar opens at 6 or 7 pm depending upon the shifts which you are working. As soon as you enter, there is this small table with a sofa and chair. This is the bar counter. So when the bar opens, all these areas would be packed with crew members. If you are in a group and want to watch any sports together, then this is the perfect space. This is the dart game. It looks easy, but it's not. Behind this door, we have the smoking room. Here you can see that there are 3 separate bins for glass, paper and plastic. If you notice, in every corner there is a TV. This one you see is one of my most favorite game, the foosball table. Then we have this pool table. So from the crew we have some amazing DJs who plays here at night, whether it's any normal day or any special theme nights. On this television we connect the PlayStation. Here we have more sofas. We also have a ATM for the crew, from where they can withdraw money using their ship card. Next to the ATM is the crew shop, which opens at 7, where you can find basic toiletries and food. Opposite to the crew shop is the exit stairways, from where you can go out. So that was all about the crew bar. So now we are heading back to our cabin. I'll try my best to upload at least one video every week. Till then, keep supporting and see you all in my next video.